Choo-choo, little toy train, rolling down the track again. Tiny wheels go clickety-clack, forward fast then rolling back. Choo-choo, little toy train, blowing whistles in the rain. Through the tunnel, dark and low, in you go and out you go. Lights are shining bright and clear, bringing smiles and lots of cheer. Choo-choo, little toy train, racing down the track again. Past the hills and painted trees, over bridges in the breeze, carrying toys from town to town, up the hill and then back down. Choo-choo, little toy train, never tired, you don't complain. Red and yellow, green and blue, every carriage bright and new. Teddy bears and dolls inside, taking such a joyful ride. Choo-choo, little toy train, chugging softly down the lane. When the sun begins to set, still you go, you don't rest yet. Under stars that twinkle bright, you keep rolling through the night. Choo-choo, little toy train, singing your sweet happy refrain. Round and round the track you glide, with your friends all side by side. Every turn a new surprise, wonder shining in our eyes. Choo-choo, little toy train, come and play with us again. When at last the day is through, we say thanks and wave to you, parked so neatly on your track, waiting till we all come back. Choo-choo, little toy train, we will ride with you again.